What is up, guys? Today we're making these delicious shrimp tacos, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by taking our skillet over medium-high heat, and we're going to add in our shrimp, and then we're going to add in our seasonings onto our shrimp, and we're just going to mix that up and let that cook for about 3 minutes. That's about all it takes. While we're doing that, we're going to dice up our jalapeno, our bell peppers, and our mango and red onion, and we're going to add all of that into a bowl. Once we add all of that into a bowl, we're going to add in our lemon juice and then our olive oil and salt and pepper. And then you're just going to give that a nice good mix. I like a lot of pepper, so I put a ton of pepper in there. Mix that around until it's evenly combined, because this is going to be like our mango salsa. And then you're just going to set that to the side. At this point, the shrimp should be done cooking, but again, it only takes about 3 minutes. So when it looks like this, that's when you know it's done. Set those off to the side, and we're going to make our tried and true bang bang sauce, which is just mayo, Thai chili, and sriracha. And again, mix all of that together until it's fully combined. Should look like this. And then we're just going to plate it. We're going to use corn tortillas, and then we're going to put our shrimp on there. And then we're going to add our mango salsa and our bang bang sauce, and that's it. So simple, so easy to make, so quick. All right, bon appetit.